This is an example of an EasyRent refund transaction. Refunds are when a customer returns a book within the store's acceptable refund period, as opposed to returns, which would occur at the end of a rental period. To begin a refund, I'm simply going to enter 3 X's, as the customer ID isn't relevant to this transaction. Unlike some in-store general merchandise transactions, EasyRent refunds require the use of intelligent refunds. Post voids or intelligent refunds with manager override will not correctly credit both the customer and their Rafter account. So as you'll see, when I press my refund key, the system prompts for my original transaction ID as expected for all intelligent refunds. At this point, I can either scan or hand enter my original transaction ID. When entered correctly, the system identifies that this is a valid transaction and prompts for an enter key to continue. I'm now ready to scan the specific items that I wish to refund to my customer. Simply scan the barcode on the book that's being refunded. You should immediately notice that the price that comes up is not the full retail price, but rather the rental price as it was recorded during the original transaction. If the price that appears seems too high or is not consistent with that's on the receipt that your customer is carrying, that should be your first indication that the register may not be in intelligent refund mode as we expect. If the information on the screen looks good, simply press subtotal and refund the transaction by the same tender with which it was paid. In this case, I'm refunding cash. And that completes the refund of an EasyRent transaction. In addition to standard EasyRent refund, I'd like to demonstrate a couple of scenarios that may also occur. In this example, my original transaction has the same item both as a purchased and as an EasyRent in a single transaction. You'll notice that by using intelligent refunds, when I scan my item, the register realizes that there are 2 possibilities available for a refund of this title and displays both the full retail price and the Rafter EasyRent price. At this point, I can select either variation for the refund. So let's say we want to return the retail value of the book. I simply select line item number 1, and the transaction moves forward with the full value as opposed to the EasyRent value. The rest of the refund is completed as normal, forcing you to use one of the original tenders, and in this case my original tender was cash, to complete the refund transaction. As a reminder, intelligent refunds without manager override are required in order for EasyRent transactions to be refunded accurately. So if your register requires the use of a manager key to enter refund mode, please place the manager key in its on mode specifically to begin the refund, and then immediately return it to its off position. Thanks for viewing this video on refund of EasyRent transactions.